Hello friends, welcome back once again and thanks a lot for your all love and support. Friend, this is the only thing which keeps me going on, share the right and useful information with you guys through my videos which can help you in one or the other way. In today's video friends, I am going to give you the detailed demo on SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive M3.0 64GB OTG pen drive along with the Amazon basic USB 3.0 extension cable. I recently got this product and did some tests to check out its performance with various USB and OTG enabled devices. So in this video friends, along with the unboxing of these two products, I'm going to share its pros and cons with you guys. I received both this product in the same package from Amazon, so let's quickly open this out. So here is SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive M3.0 USB 364GB pen drive with the dual port USB 3.0 at one end and micro USB at the other end. You can not only use this device in your laptop computers, but also you can use this in OTG enabled mobile phones and tablets to transfer data. It is small in size as compared to other USB pen drive, but its design and look is really awesome. Let's quickly go and check out its specs and features. It's a dual connector pen drive, micro USB at the one end and USB 3.0 at the other end, so you can use both the ports to connect your devices. With USB 3.0 you can get maximum file transfer speed of 150 Mbps per second, which is very much faster than as compared to USB 2.0. With the OTG functionality, you can easily connect your OTG enabled Android phones with this device and transfer files. By using this feature, you can free up memory from your smartphone and tablets. You can also take automatic backup of your photos and videos when this get connected to your mobile phones or tablets. For easy file management on your Android phones, it comes with SanDisk Memory Zone app, which is available on Google Play Store to download. So this is all about the SanDisk Ultra Dual USB 3 pen drive. Now let's move on to the Amazon basic USB 3.0 extension cable and check out its feature. It's 1 meter USB 3.0 male to female high speed USB extension cable. You can use this 3.0 extension cable to connect your printers, cameras, mouse, keyboards and other USB peripherals. It comes with gold plated connector for good signal clarity and shielded to minimize interference. With the increased power output, it has the maximum file transfer speed of 4.8 gigabits per second, which is 10 times faster than as compared to USB 2.0. I'm sharing the link of both this product in the description so you can easily check this out. Now let's move on and do the actual test by connecting it with the various USB enabled devices. First, I'm going to connect this USB 3.0 pen drive to my system directly and load some heavy and light file to check out what kind of speed I'm getting during the file transfer. System has read out the USB 3 pen drive. Now I'm going to format this pen drive with the NTFS file system. Format is completed. Now let's go and move some heavy files to this pen drive from system. I'm moving over 5 GB of file from my system to this pen drive, and as you can see, it starts with the initial speed of 10 Mbps per second, but now it's increasing. So friends, it's quite disappointing that it does not perform as per the specification. During the file movement from my system to this pen drive, I got the maximum speed of 29 Mbps only. Now friends, it's time to move back and check out what kind of speed we are getting while copying file from pen drive to the system. File transfer speed from this USB 3.0 pen drive to system is quite fast. It started with 140 Mbps per second but slowly decreases to 88-87 Mbps per second, but it remains near 200 Mbps. Now let's go and check this same with the OTG enabled Android devices. For this friends, I am using my Samsung Galaxy A7 Android smartphone which is OTG enabled. Almost all the newly available Android devices are OTG enabled. Friends, I struggle a lot to mount this pen drive to my smartphone with the SanDisk Memory Zone app. SanDisk Memory Zone app got successfully installed to my mobile phone, but I wasn't able to find this pen drive with this app. Maybe because of the thing that I had deleted the SanDisk Memory Zone APK file which was inside this pen drive. So friends, if you are willing to purchase this pen drive, then please don't format it initially. Check all the files on the pen drive first and copy the required files and then format it. Finally, I uninstalled the SanDisk Memory Zone app and try to use this pen drive directly. My mobile phone has easily recognized this USB pen drive and mounted it as USB storage 1 and able to browse all the files and folders on this USB pen drive. Let's copy some files and folders from this USB pen drive to smartphone. I'm copying here the two folders which has 1080p videos and 4K videos, and which would be around in 8 GB file size. So let's do it and check how much time it will take. Copying around 8 GB from this pen drive to smartphone has not taken the much time. So the test of this USB pen drive with these two devices, the PC and this smartphone, is quite up to the expectations. It does not meet the theoretical value, but it is more faster than the previous version of USB. Now friends, I am going to access this USB 3.0 type pen drive on my TV. My TV has USB type 2.0 port only. So let's see what will happen. For this friends, I am going to use Amazon Basic USB 3.0 extension cable to attach this pen drive to my TV. I inserted the male port of this USB extension cable to the female port of my TV, which is USB type 2. And now I am going to insert this USB 3.0 pen drive to the female port of this extension cable and see whether I am able to access this pen drive on my TV or not. It seems all good friends. TV has mounted this pen drive perfectly and I am able to access all the contents of this USB 3.0 pen drive on my TV. All is working fine and in the sync, the pen drive, the extension cable and the TV. So nothing seems wrong here. So friends, now it's time to give you my final conclusion or the test results. The first one is speed. As per the test result, it does not meet the theoretical value, but it is much faster than the previous USB version. It worked very well with the Android OTG enabled devices and no issue has been found. The size of this USB pen drive is quite small, so it would be hard to handle it. Because of this, you have to make an extra effort to open and close the USB ports. And the most important thing is that it is getting hot quickly. Maybe this is due to the compactness of this pen drive or due to the high data transfer rate. The Amazon USB 3.0 extension cable has no issue. It is quite rigged and very strong. Connectors are gold plated and legs free. Overall, both these two devices or gadgets are good to use. During this test, I did not find any issue which can bother me or give me a bad feel. So friends, that's all for today. If you're using these components, then please let me know your opinion. Thanks for watching. Post your comments and rate this video.